The globe has a spherical shape. When we divide this spherical shape into two halves, we have two hemispheres. Taking into consideration a hemisphere, we can measure its surface area using some basic information. Let's learn more about the hemisphere in this video. You're familiar with a sphere. A sphere has an external curved surface. Points on the surface are equidistant from the center of the sphere. This distance is called the radius of the sphere. Suppose the radius of a sphere is r units. We assume that the surface area of a sphere is equal to 4 pi r square. For a sphere, the curved surface area is usually spoken as surface area. A plane through the center of a sphere divides the sphere into two equal parts. Each part is called a hemisphere. A hemisphere has curved surface and circular plane surface as shown. Therefore, total surface area is equal to curved surface area plus area of circular plane surface 1 upon 2 into 4 pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. Let's summarize. We have learned total surface area of hemisphere is equal to curved surface area plus area of circular plane surface is equal to 2 pi r square plus pi r square is equal to 3 pi r square. In this video, we've learned about the surface area of a hemisphere. Now think of this. Is it possible that we connect a hemisphere to another solid shape to form a new shape? Well, this will be answered but in upcoming videos.
Keep imbibing. We believe in you.